All right, hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Charles Manase. I'm 21, and I'm going to be doing stand-up comedy today. And the reason why I picked stand-up comedy is because I love comedy, and comedy is my life. I like making people laugh. So please keep the votes rolling in, and yeah, I'm gonna jump right into it as always. I've been having a good week. I've been having a relatively good week. With the whole Power Lions FC losing 24-0 to Mamelodi Sundowns. Yeah. Okay, but I'm not going to talk about that. What I'm going to talk about today is my Italian friend Julio, which does not even sound Italian. Okay, but actually his name is Luigi. I'm just playing. It's not Julio. So I was out for coffee with Luigi, right? And he just made me realize something about Italians. Do you know how expressive Italian people are? Like, I used to think Indians were expressive, with the whole head thing, and the whole wrist, I don't know. But I discovered that Italians are more expressive. Seriously speaking, I actually got in trouble with his family because they don't speak English that well. And we were supposed to eat, we had gone to a local cafe, and we decided, no, we need to eat. And right when we were about to eat, I was like, okay, guys, I'm hungry, so I need to eat. Now, I didn't know that in Italian, this means what the fuck, So I'm there, I'm like, guys, I need to eat. The whole family goes, hey, epa. I'm like, okay. He goes, no. Then Luigi goes and explains to me, okay, my guy, this is what the fuck, okay? What the fuck? So every time I was doing this, the father would be looking at me like, this little boy here, And is it just me, or does the Italian accent make everything sound wrong? Because their dad is actually proper Italian. He's proper Italian, right? So he grew up next to the ocean. So his story, he was telling us a story about his childhood, And he goes, coming up as a little boy, I was growing up on the beach, So each day I would go on the beach, and then I would go down on the beach. And then every day I would come back up, go eat my supper, and go back down on the beach. And then I'll be running all over the beach, plaiting and touching the beach whenever I could, because the beach was a favorite place for me to go. I would go on the beach, jump in, jump out, run around, and lie down on top of the beach like there's nothing wrong with life. And we'll be there like, yeah, okay. We hope he's talking about something with water on it. Please let it be something with water. Yeah? And what is it with Italian people after they watch a movie with Sylvester Stallone in it? I don't get it. Like, I was with Luigi, right? And then we're watching Rocky. The whole, Sylvester, with the whole boxing thing and all. And afterwards, I think every guy in the family started feeling like he was a boxer. Because I was walking in the room, I'm like, okay, I'm actually bigger than everyone in their family. So I just walked in, I'm like, hey guys, so what's up? They just look at me, they go, so you think you own the house, eh? You got nothing on us, eh? And then I don't know what's with the Italian men and grabbing the balls, you know what? You think you got the kahunas to take us on? I'll take you and all your family. And then you just look at them like, these people have just watched Rocky, haven't they? And I'm busy going like, you guys have got stories. And the father's like, epa, stop saying what the fuck. And I'm like, okay, my bad. And then right when I was leaving home, I was going out. And the dad comes to me. He goes, what? Do you want to eat? Then I'm like, what? Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I got for you. Thank you.